Okay, then we are in question 4. Greatest among three numbers. Please write a program which finds the greatest number among the three numbers. You will ask the user for these three numbers and print greatest of them in the string. Okay, then we can say that greatest number among three. Okay, then I'm going to Visual Studio again and writing new text file. This is, I think, question 4. Let me check. Yes, question 4. Question 4. And putting these parts, greatest number among three. That's 5. Okay. Okay. As in the summation, always this input is string, and we need to change to a number. Here, since we are saying this number, okay, we can change to, let's say, this string n1, and this is num1, this is str1, this did I no, there is why there is no syntax highlighting, since this is not a Python yet. Let me make it Python. Yes, then we have these colors and we can see this syntax highlighting. Okay, please enter number 1. I'll give the user some information. Please enter 3 numbers. Program will find greatest among these 3 numbers. Okay, please enter number 1. Then please enter number 2, and number 3, number 2 and number 3. Then I will change them to the number. Actually, since we are talking about number, we can say that they are float. They are like a real number. The integers are full numbers, for example, light. But for example, green, this is a float. This is integer, full number, and this is float with points. Okay, and then this is number 2. Then I need to find number 3, and let's see if it is working. As I said in class, always you should write iteratively. Let's see if it is working first, then continue. Okay, then let me put, for example, number 1 is I am using again this f strings. This is number 2, num2, and again number 3, and this is the number 3. Okay, let's run it, and it is asking us a number. Let's say first one is 10, second one is 5, fourth one is 65.0, and as you can see, it changed all numbers to the float and printed them out. Okay, then how we will find these numbers? First of all, we need to find this greatest. Okay, and since any one of them numbers can be greatest, I can start with the number 1 is the greatest. Then if number 2 is greater than greatest equal to number 2, and it's the same way I can write number 3 is greater than greatest, and this is number 2. Then I can print this out instead of the first print, and greatest among the 3 is greatest. Let me run this one, and let's say the first one is 10, second one is 20, third one is 5. Then it will say that greatest among the 3 is 20. How it works, we can do this debugging. I am putting a breakpoint here using this mouse point, or I can use also this run menu for the toggle breakpoint or F9. But here, this is good enough. I'm putting here, since after the inputs I want to start, it is so much easier. That is for debugging. Let's say this is 5, this is 10, and the last one is, let's say, 90. Then my breakpoint that stopped, I have this string number 5, 10, and 90. As you can see, they are strings, as we have written string num1, string num2, and string num3. We are changing them with this float function to their data types to the floats, 5, 10, and 20. Then we are starting with the greatest is 5. We don't know which one is greatest, but we are checking if it is greatest. Number 2 is larger than greatest, therefore we are changing greatest to the here 10. Then we are coming here and changing greatest to the 90, and we are printing out.